Welcome to Genius, the complete smart and integrated solution that makes learning any school, college, university, or training institution effortless. Genius is a real-time, cloud-based ERP software that features automation, real-time data, and intelligent reports. Genius helps institutions save time and effort by reducing admin costs by 50% and stationery costs by 70%. Enabling them to make better decisions. Genius gives you complete visibility and control. Here you can manage multiple institutes under one platform and also in multiple languages of your choice, according to your geographical region. You can also manage multiple financial years and academic years under one roof. As soon as you log in, the dashboard gives you a quick summary of everything important all in one place. Here, you can see essential modules like fee summary, student summary, staff summary, institute summary, circulars, and a graphical representation of the number of students enrolled year-wise, attendance of students, fee collected year-wise, fee pending, news related to your institute, and much more, neatly organized for easy access. Alongside, the news and circular section keeps staff and students informed about the latest updates and notices. At the bottom, the recent updates section highlights new features or changes made within the system, ensuring you are always informed and up to date. Welcome to the Institution Management module of Genius Education Management Software, the foundation where you define and customize every core element of your institution. Let's take a quick tour of the institution settings feature, the place where it all begins. The institution settings feature is where you configure your institute's essential defaults. Under General Settings, you can define institute details like type, username prefix, accounting voucher prefix, time zone, and language preferences. You can also enable features such as decimal values, biometric attendance, employee notifications, GR number auto increment, and credential settings. Set rules for attendance, whether day-wise or lecture-wise, and control system updates, shift management, and attendance edit limits. You can configure email and SMS settings for attendance notifications, define document upload limits, date formats, and security options like CHA or OTP for verification. Under fee collection settings, manage payment modes, collection types, refund settings, fee prefixes, and installment rules. You can also set conditions for advance payments, fee receipts, and online applications. Finally, in student name settings, define how student names appear across the system. Choose formats for short names, full names, and their display positions. All these configurations ensure your institute setup runs smoothly and aligns perfectly with your operational needs. This is the institute-wide label settings screen under Institution Settings. Here, administrators can customize the default labels used across the system as per their institution's terminology. This is the Application Form Settings screen under Institution Settings. Here, the administrator can customize the layout and appearance of the institution's admission or application form. You can upload your institution's logo and banner image to display them at the top of the form, ensuring proper branding and a professional look. This is the third-party service section under Institution Settings. Here, institutions can easily integrate essential services like GPS tracking, SMS gauges, payment gauges, and email servers. You can also connect Google Classroom, Zoom, and Google Meet to manage online classes and meetings directly from the system. All integrations in this section ensure smooth automation, communication, and connectivity across your institution. This is the Attendance Settings screen under Institution Settings. Here, administrators can configure attendance parameters and define the rules for marking presence, half day, or absence for staff members. This is the Week Holiday Settings screen under Institution Settings. Here, administrators can define weekly holidays or half days for the institution. By default, Sunday is considered a holiday, but you can easily customize other working days or holidays as needed. This is the festival holiday section under institution settings. Here, administrators can easily add and manage all upcoming festival holidays for the institution. Start by selecting the date of the holiday, followed by entering its title and a short description if needed. This is the other holiday section under institution settings. Here, administrators can add and manage holidays that don't fall under the weekly or festival categories, such as exam preparation days, events, or special leaves. This is the report settings screen under institution settings. Here, administrators can customize the appearance of reports generated within the system to match their institution's branding. This is the payroll settings screen under institution settings. Here, administrators can configure employee payroll verification levels and approval workflows for salary processing. Under the institution details section, you get essential details of your institute. Here, you get the details of the school admin who runs the institute. The guest user feature lets visitors access limited parts of the system without a full account, making it easy to share information securely. This is the semester settings section, where you can define and assign semesters or terms for each program or class. Under permission settings, the school admin can assign role-wise permissions to different roles as per their designations. The admin can also assign particular employee-wise permissions of the modules according to the employee's work. Let us move forward to the data management module of Genius. This module helps you manage your institute's core data efficiently across academic years. In academic year details, you can create, view, and manage different academic sessions, ensuring a smooth transition between years. Under financial year, set and maintain financial periods for accounting, billing, and reporting purposes. The institution shift section allows you to define and manage multiple shifts, such as morning, afternoon, or evening for classes and staff. In the department, you can add or update academic and administrative departments within your institution. The designation section lets you define staff roles and designations, from teachers and coordinators to administrative positions. Class and section helps you organize students by class and section, maintaining a structured academic setup. Under the class section, you can create multiple classes as per your institute setup. In this section, you can divide students of a class into multiple sections or intakes based on your institute structure. From here, under semester section below, you can add semesters for the classes you created if your structure works semester-wise. After creating classes and sections, you can assign a class teacher to a particular class here under the Assign Class Teacher section. Under Subject, you can add subjects according to the curriculum of your institute. From here, you can assign subjects to specific classes and sections. This section helps you to assign subjects to the teaching staff for different classes. The Recent Updates section gives a quick overview of any changes or modifications made to your institutional data. Finally, with transfer data to next year, you can automatically promote and carry forward student and institutional records, ensuring seamless academic continuity. And under Transfer Student Data to Next Year, you can promote students to their next class or program with just a few clicks, saving time and reducing manual work. The academic module helps you manage all classroom and learning activities digitally. Through lesson planning and syllabus, teachers can plan lessons and manage the academic flow efficiently. Assignments, homework, and classwork help in sharing study materials, assigning tasks, and tracking progress all in one place. Circulars, news, and notifications ensure instant communication of important updates to students, parents, and staff, while the gallery showcases school events and memories, keeping the community connected and engaged. The ID card module enables easy design and generation of professional ID cards for students, teachers, and non-teaching staff. In the ID card settings, administrators can customize the layout, including institute logo, card design, background, and the details to be displayed, such as name, photo, designation, and barcode. Once the design is finalized, the ID card generation section allows quick creation of ID cards involved or individually. Users can generate, preview, and print ID cards instantly for members of the institution. The Student Management module in Genius Education Management software helps institutions manage every student-related activity with ease and accuracy. In the Add Student and Student list, administrators can register new students and view complete student records. The Disable Student list allows tracking of inactive or withdrawn students. With the Guest Student form and Guest Student list, temporary or short-term students can be managed efficiently. Student multiple update enables all updates of details like class, section, or contact information in just a few clicks. Under student progression, teachers can record academic performance, conduct, and personal interests, giving a 360 degrees view of every student's growth. The Student Consolidated Report summarizes all these details in a single comprehensive document. The Alumni Student Promote and Alumni Student List sections help manage and track past out students for future reference. Through certificates, schools can easily generate and issue student certificates, while student reports and progress meetings support detailed performance analysis and parent-teacher reviews. Finally, promote student and student tracking simplify yearly promotions and keep track of student movements and achievements throughout their academic journey. The Employee Management module helps institutions manage all staff-related records and processes efficiently. In Add Employee and Employee List, administrators can register new employees and view complete staff details. Allocate leave hierarchy allows defining leave approval levels and assigning reporting managers for a smooth workflow. The Guest Employee and Pre-enrollment List sections help manage visiting faculty or candidates awaiting confirmation. EX Employee and EX Employee List maintain records of former staff for reference and documentation. The Contract section tracks contract-based employees with start and end dates for easy monitoring. With employee multiple update, all information like department, designation, or salary can be updated in seconds. Employee Credential Detail Reports provide detailed insights into employee qualifications and credentials. Employee Institution Chart displays a clear organizational structure, while employee-wise settings lets admins assign permissions and access rights individually. The CRM module helps institutions efficiently track and convert student inquiries into admissions. Through lead settings, administrators can define sources, stages, and follow-up preferences. The dashboard gives a quick overview of total leads, conversions, and employee performance. In the leads section, you can add, manage, and assign leads to employees, while the inactive employees list shows staff not actively handling inquiries. With employee target, institutions can set and monitor admission goals, preferred university, lead status, and leads reference help categorize and track each inquiry accurately. Finally, the leads report provides a detailed analysis of performance, conversions, and lead sources, helping institutions make data-driven decisions. 더 타임테이블 매니지먼트 마줄 심플러파이즈 클래스 스케줄링 포 institutions. in timetable settings, administrators can define periods, days, and time slots as per the institution's structure. With a generate timetable, the system automatically creates subject-wise schedules for each class and teacher. The timetable section displays the finalized schedule in a clear, organized format. And through add proxy list, substitute teachers can be assigned instantly whenever a staff member is absent, ensuring classes run smoothly without interruption. The attendance management module automates attendance tracking for both students and employees. In add or edit employee attendance, administrators can mark or update staff attendance manually. The student attendance section allows teachers to record daily attendance quickly class by class. Detailed student attendance reports and employee reports, daily or monthly, provide clear performance insights. The leave management section allows complete control over leave operations. Create different leave categories, assign them using leave assign, and track requests under employee leave or student leave. Use leave reset to refresh leave balances at the start of a new period and access student or employee leave reports for a clear summary. The Finance Management module in Genius Education Management Software provides a complete financial control system for educational institutions. In the Account Master, administrators can set up all foundational details, including account groups, account master, bank and cash masters, and tax master for smooth financial configuration. You can also manage items, suppliers, and customers to handle billing, procurement, and sales efficiently. Under daily financial operations, bank transactions, cash transactions, journal vouchers, and budget master help track every expense and receipt with accuracy. Essential financial records like the daybook, journalbook, bankbook, cashbook, and general ledger keep your accounts organized and transparent. Detailed reports such as account receivables, account payables, trial balance, balance sheet, and profit and loss give administrators a clear view of the institution's financial status. Features like bank reconciliation, student-wise fee summary, and checks portfolio further simplify banking, fee tracking, and check management. The fee management module gives institutions complete control over all student fee-related operations from setup to collection and reporting. In the fee master, administrators can define fee categories, subcategories, and fee hedges to structure every payment type accurately. Through the fee receipt header, fee book, and fee structure, institutions can design fee formats, define payment schedules, and organize all financial records systematically. The fee concession profile and lay fee policy help automate discounts, waivers, and penalties with ease. Under fee collection, payments can be received quickly through fee payment, all-in-one fee payment, or advance fee receipt options. Institutions can also manage fee refunds, miscellaneous fee collections, and additional fee instructions for flexibility in every transaction. Detailed reports like fee collection category-wise, fee head-wise collection, fee collection date-wise, and fee register give clear insights into all transactions. Bulk operations such as bulk fee receipts and year-wise fee collections save time and improve efficiency. You can also monitor fee outstanding and program-wise outstanding to keep track of pending dues. While the payroll management module streamlines the entire salary process from setup to payslip generation. Start by configuring payroll settings, defining salary components, and setting up professional tax rules. Institutions can also manage week holidays and festival holidays directly, from the system for accurate salary calculations. Under employee salary, administrators can allocate salary structures to employees and easily update them with a salary increment when needed. With just one click, salaries can be processed using generate salary, saving time and effort. The system also supports assign bonus and generate bonus, ensuring additional payments are handled smoothly. Comprehensive reports such as payslip report, payroll category-wise report, salary outstanding report, and salary outstanding summary help track financial performance efficiently. You can also view overall salary reports and salary register reports for a complete monthly or yearly breakdown. Finally, use the generate salary slip to produce detailed payslips instantly for employees. The exam management module makes managing examinations simple, accurate, and fully digital. Begin with exam settings to configure grading types, exam patterns, and evaluation rules. The online question generator, questions, and question bank help teachers create and store a wide range of questions, while import questions and the question paper generator make exam preparation quick and effortless. The exam group and exam schedule sections help organize exams systematically throughout the academic year. Teachers can record marks directly under exam result marking and view consolidated outcomes in the results section. Institutions can also set performance standards through grading levels, program designation, and configure board-specific settings like CCE and ICSE for complete compliance. Finally, the Report Center provides detailed performance analysis, progress reports, and result summaries in just a few clicks. The Event and Task Management module helps institutes to organize events and assign tasks to employees and students regarding the school events. The Transportation Management module simplifies every transport operation. Manage vehicles, drivers, routes, and destinations effortlessly. Assign students with transport allocation, and track buses in real time with vehicle tracking. Collect transport fees and handle bank reconciliation smoothly, all from one platform. The messaging module helps administrators, teachers, and students communicate through in-app messaging, keeping everyone updated. The library management module keeps your entire library organized and digital. Through Library Master, you can manage all book details and categories. Add and search books easily, issue them to students or staff, and track returns with book issue and book return settings. Handle book returns, mark lost books, and manage book binding records effortlessly. The Hostel Management module in Genius Education Management Software helps institutions manage hostel operations with ease. Define different hostel types, enter complete hostel details, and manage rooms under hostel room. Through hostel allocation, assign rooms to students quickly and maintain real-time occupancy records. The Canteen and POS Management module streamlines all cafeteria and sales operations. In weekly meal, administrators can plan and manage meal schedules for students and staff. Through POS Master, create and manage shops, registers, and product categories with apply taxes or tax groups. Add and track products, assign roles to cashiers or managers, and handle billing through sale order. Comprehensive reports, including sale reports, customer reports, order reports, and daily total reports, give clear insights into daily transactions. The helpdesk module ensures smooth and secure software operations. Through the IT helpdesk, institutions can efficiently manage technical queries and support requests. Manage language translations allows users to operate Genius in multiple languages for global accessibility. With module backup, data can be safely stored and restored anytime. and login activity helps track user access for transparency and security. Thanks for watching. Contact us for a free demo today.